Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Apologies for my prolonged absence. I have been a little bit under the weather again, and I've had a few things going on in the background here in my personal life. All good things, but I've been extremely busy. So I've got a few minutes to film a video today, and I saw something on Instagram a little while ago using magnetic gel polish, and it's inspired me to have a play with my my magnetic gel polish. So previously I had never found any good magnetics, but this one I really think is a great formula. So this is 5D Creative Gel. Now I got this from the nail shop, and now they are an Adelaide based nail supply company. Really fantastic. If you are in Australia and you're a professional nail technician, check them out. They have got an amazing stock of loads and loads of things. I also got my Sayang drill from them. Hugely helpful. They're really lovely, so go check them out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly run through what I'm going to use, and then I'm going to get straight on, and I'm just going to do one little swatch stick, and I'm going to show you the other designs I've come up with at the end. So I'm going to use a base of black gel polish. I'm using the gel bottle in jet black. And I'm using this here, which is, as I said, the magnetic gel polish. I don't know that, oh, there you go, it's called Pink Copper. So that's the name of the colour that I'm using. You also need a stamping image. So I'm going to use this stamping image here, this floral stamping image. And this is from the Textures and Patterns plate, which are my plates, Dixie plates, Textures and Patterns plate. So I'll link all of this below. So that is my plate there. Sorry about the reflections. So I'm going to get straight on with it, and I'll talk you through it as I go. And oh, hang on, and the main thing you need is a magnet. So it's got a flat end, and then it has or a rectangle end, then it's got the circle end. I'm going to be using the circle end. So let's get to it. Okay, so 2 coats of jet black. You actually don't probably need to do 2 coats, but I like to have a really good coverage. So I'm just doing my second coat now, and then I'm going to cure it. This is really nice. And you know what? This is an old jet black. I've had this sitting around for quite a while. So as you can see, it hasn't got the new top, and it's really lovely because it's got a bit thicker. So if you ever want to use a black for hand painting, if you let this sit around for a while, it becomes a little bit thicker formula. Beautiful for hand painting. So I'm going to cure that, and then I will come back with the next step. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with the magnetic polish now, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So it's beautiful. It's got a gold and sort of pinky coppery tone to it. So I'm going to pop 1 coat, if this focuses, there you go, 1 coat over the nail. So as you can see, as it goes on, it is absolutely beautiful. So 1 coat, not too thin, not too thick, but try and keep it even. And then I'm not going to cure it. So as you can see, it's on the nail there. And then what you do is you grab your magnet, and then I'm pushing in from the top to create a black area. So as you can see, hopefully you can see that anyway, it's gone in there. And then I'm going to do the same from the bottom left and bring it up. So I've kind of got a curve of the magnetic colour. And just play around with it till you're happy with how it's looking. And then if I move that round there, you can actually see how it's sort of gone into a funny sort of an S shape. Right, I'm going to cure it now. Okay, so that is cured, and that is what it looks like once it's cured. So hopefully the gold is showing up on the camera. I can see that the burgundy sort of pink is. So the next step is I'm going to grab the stamping plate, and then, sorry about the glare guys. So I'm using, as I said, I'm using this image here, and I'm using some Vibin from Twinkled Tea. Now, somebody asked me the other day if I have cruelty-free products, and I said yes, I do have cruelty-free products. All my products are cruelty-free. My brushes are synthetic, and Twinkled Tea is vegan and cruelty-free. So if anybody was wondering, everything that I stock is cruelty-free. The only things that may not be are in my D-Statch, which is where I'm getting rid of brands that I no longer use. So I'm not sure about that. If you want to check, then you need to check with the company. So that is the image. And then I might just get that out of the way so you can see better. So all you do is you basically, it's kind of like a sort of semi-hidden stamping, I guess you'd call it. So pop your image on, and because it's black, the only parts that you will see are where the magnetic polish is. Now it's a little bit difficult to see at the moment, but it pops when I top coat. So I'm just going to clean up and I'll top coat. Using Gel Bottle's Extreme Shine top coat, and I'm just going to go in and cover the nail. And cure, and I will be back in a second. So that is the finished nail, and I hope you can see that. I'm going to actually pop these on one of my posable hands later on so that you can see. I'm just going to pop this on the end of this little thing here. These are the other ones that I have done. I'm going to zoom in just so you can see how super effective they are. So these are all Dixie plate stamping images that I've used. I love this animal print one. That's turned out so nicely. Thanks, Byron. That would be my dog snoring. So guys, I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to just keep this one short and sweet. I will hopefully be back very soon. I have loads of goodies to show you. I've got lots of Magpie goodies. I've got Madam Glam. I've got all sorts of things coming up. So thumbs up if you like the video, guys. Any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box and I will get back to you. I'll link the products. As I said, the magnetic polish that I use is from an Australian company. They probably don't send overseas, but I'm sure there's plenty of places all over the world that sell magnetic gel polish. For the sake of this type of thing, I know there's loads of them on eBay, so if you don't want to spend a fortune, I have gotten some from eBay that are just as good, so have a look there as well. And please subscribe if you haven't, guys. I really do appreciate your support, even though I'm not always around. And I will catch you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.